Well, I'm going to change this buckle out. This is just a standard buckle, but it's actually a little bit too wide. So I'm going to put this quick release buckle on here. It's a deployment buckle, and then I can just pop this open, and the tag in this end, instead of being hanging out, will tuck under here and lay next to your wrist. Tucks in there, and that little tang goes in the holes over here. But pretty easy. You just take the spring bar out that holds this, then you put the spring bar in here to hold that, and that's it. I'll probably remove this loop here because I won't need it anymore. So anyway, this is a Benrus automatic date. Cool classic old watch. It's probably mid 60s, early 70s at best, probably in the 60s. Got a beautiful gray dial. Anyway, that's my next project on the watch bench. Hope everybody's having a good day. Talk to you soon.